Okay, but dumelang. So, maths, under maths we are doing trigonometry. Yes, on our ATP. What do we have? We have to do continue trigonometry. We have to do what? Sine rule, cosine rule, and area rule. Mara, before we start, what is it that you already know? It's about A. What's about a right angled triangle? What do you know about right angled triangle? You know that here it forms what? 1980 degrees. So if this is A, this one is going to be B, this one is going to be C. So the concept is definitely applicable to mathematics or the right angled triangle. Pythagoras theorem, the trig ratios. So let's about more. Okay, we're applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we know AC squared, the sum of these two squared here. BC squared plus AC squared. What else do we know is applicable here? So for us to find these angles, theta and what? And what? Alpha. Now what? Alpha. We use what? Trig ratios. That will be your what? That will be your sine theta dividing cos theta, or if not theta, it will be alpha here. If not theta, it's alpha. Dividing tan theta. So in this case, I will say sin theta again, opposite over sin theta to AB over what? AB over AC, which is our hypotenuse here. Cos of theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent side again, BC over AC, and then tan theta, which is what? Opposite over adjacent, which is BC over what? BC over AB over BC. This is what we know, correct? Angled triangle. But how feel more happy? An area of what? An area of a triangle. Area. How do we get the area of a right angle triangle? Area. How do we get the area? We know that the area half base height. It was 1 over 2. Basically, BC. It was BC multiplied by what? What is height? AB. Half AB. But this is what we know from a right angle triangle. Let's see what we want to say. Okay, what if now triangle is not a right angle triangle? Because in they are applicable for what? For a right angle triangle. So what if a triangle is a right angle triangle? So these triangles, we call them just oblique triangles. It's an oblique triangle. So I receive the oblique triangles. Now, oblique triangles, it's a genre. We so fair. Can you see? Ba bona ntho e kentseng mo. O P Q J Queen K. These triangles are saying, it's not what? A right angle triangle. So, how if it amount, Kim more to save saying, to read in grade 11, to save sine rule, to save cosine rule, per one area rule. So now I tell you that Billy here. Billy receives a number 1, which is what? Which is sine rule. What? So sine rule tla be rena le ntho e jwang ha rena le triangle so. Abana mona ke A B C. Ne, naleng. So opposite to that side, opposite to A, ntwenare ngola S A enyane. Opposite to B, side line re ngola ka B e jwang? Ka B enyane. Opposite to C, C na ke kgolo ne, re ngola C e jwang? C enyane. Abana. So tse tse nyane tsena di tla be di representa eng? Tse tse nyane tla be representa eng? Le side ile. Ina representa side line, ina representa the side line. Right bona. Good. So ere nya sine rule. Sine rule e tla be ere. Re tla bana le sine of angle A. This angle over there. Awan. We bana this angle over here. We bana the angle ya noma. It tla be the sine of A over small letter E is equal to sine of angle B over small letter b, which is equal to sine of angle C ele kana le eng le small letter c. By what? So mara ha re solve mona re tla be re sebedisa stepeng tse two fela tse re tlo sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. Be re sebedisa ntho re solve ne depending on the information re tla be re na le ona on the triangle. By what? Kapa kana re sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. By what? Kapa re sine A is equal to sine C over C. So what are the requirements for you to use? What are the requirements for you to do what? What are the requirements for you? Sine rule. Right? Sine rule is so. A requirement appeal. You must have two sides. You must have two sides and an opposite angle. Two sides and opposite angle. Yeah, baby, you can have two angles and opposite side. Two sides and opposite angle, or two angles and an opposite side. So you use our recipe say how to gain sine rule. Right, good. Arrêtez example 1. Come. So it was A, B, C. On a regardé avec cette unité de 2. Là, on a regardé qui est 10. Et là, on a regardé qui est 15 degrees. Alors, qui est 15 degrees. And the question says, find A. Like that. So how are we going to do this one? Yeah? So for our solution, retour for our solution. Renale, ça sine rule. One requirement is mo, de redumela receive sine rule. Here two sides and an opposite angle. Renale, two sides, and then we've got an angle that is opposite to that side. Labor feeding law. My one. So if I range one, sine of C, angle C here, over small letter C. But that small letter C set the field, Leila EB. Here. Good. And then mirroring sine of angle A over small letter A. Small letter A is set the here. Well, now we're looking for that angle over there. Here. Fine. So we have sine of 15 degrees over 10 is equal to sine of angle A. Here. Over 32. Here. We do the maths. What do we do? Cross multiply. Dividing 32. Divided 32 sine 15 degrees. Here. All over 10, which is equal to sine of angle. Here. So already punch side legamo. Finally. It over 32 sine 15 divided by 10. Irifa 0.828 here. It over 0.8282. I was it because I also fit to final answer. Illegally sine of angle A. So in 2019, regular molante is sine of angle A illegally 0.8282. How sine A? Angle A. Aye. Riff manager. It's a one too. Okay. Come on, Marie, it's a job. I will transpose here. Arc sine 0.8282. So it over shift sine and it over 55.92. It over 55.91. 0.828282. 55.91. 55.91 what? Degrees. So refumani immo. Refumani angle A. Laibon. Receviste sine rule. Laibon. So c'est ça ça tu le fais. Tu vas angle na tu kai 55.991. Receive ça sine rule. Laibon. Good. So one other thing about our button you're not happy. Bagaro or determinant set living like AC. A follow-up question can say what set like AC. So AC requires to large. First we need to find this angle here. Here we know monajipkai 55.91 degrees here. So we will use the sum of angles of a triangle. You can look at the 180 here. Over to la side. After that to la side AC because tabonale two angles and then opposite sides. If like in a terminal bonus cost 3. Are we together, good people? Are we together? Good. So we can refill the mocha what to call sine rule. Or maybe we should do this one. Yeah, two angles and then opposite side. Ne? Good. So because akibate with a joint. Akibate with qui indicate ke sebedise di-example tse ngata ne. So ntho e ke tlo e etsang, I'm going to continue from this one. E sentse re na le yona mo triangle ne. Ma ke tlo e etsa jwang? Ke change fela ne. So mona na re na le okay, ha re fela re na le to ba A B ABC. Aye. Ha re no re na le kae? Re na le 16, and then here we have how much? We have 15 degrees. A man. And then here we've got what? We've got 55,91. 91 degrees there. Right, what? And then we are looking for what? We are looking for side AB. But find example ma, example 2. Find the length of what? Of AB. This is our question. Find the length of what? Find the length of A. So if manager length of AB. Rachel. Canale. Two angles. Aye. And then opposite side. So this side is opposite to that angle. Awa. So sine. So for our solution, range one. Our solution, we're gonna say sine of angle A over small letter A, which is the opposite side. It will be equal to sine the angle C over small letter C. Kabata side here. Side la AB qui le fait C qui awa. So small letter C okay. C du timo. Kagai kao AB. So re thotse small letter C, re thotse eng? Re thotse AB. So it will be enjoy. It will be sine keep kai 55 degrees, 91. Here. All over mona keep kai 16. Mona jare mo sine of C keep kai 15 degrees. Waban? All over C. Ayer. We cross multiply. I'll cross multiply. Take out dim. Ito tagay ka fat. Ayer. E ka fat yagay. Yagaw dim. E na e fat yagay. Yagaw dim. So ito ba C ito le kanali N yagay. Yagaw dim kwa. Ito ba 16 sine 15 degrees. Ayer. All over. E you dim gamu. It over sine of 55,91 degrees. So I share C ya gona le kana lo kae. It over C it over 16 sine 55,91 over sine aman. It over sine of 15 over sine of 55,91. Why you tell me now? It over 5,000. Keep 5 stena here. Keep kai. Come on, keep 5. So meaning side lena la AB keep kai. See, therefore AB is equals to 5 what? 5 units. I want. I want to. Yes. Ki wana sine no go. So later on no. And then I'm giving you what? I'm giving you exercises. It's sine rule. Once you bona wale mnatika sine rule, then you can do cosine rule. From natimus. Diputso nyana. The sharp coffee. Thanks.